In a pharmacy aisle, the glossy bottles of probiotics beckon shoppers with promises of gut health and friendly bacteria. The typical label boasts anywhere from 2 to 25 billion live cultures per capsule, most of them strains of lactobacilli or bifidobacteria that have been used in food production for decades. These microbes make up roughly 12% of the normal human gut community, yet the daily diet already supplies about 1.3 billion bacteria through food, most of which are destroyed by stomach acid before reaching the colon. When a capsule delivers 25 billion cells, that number is 20 times the normal microbial load, and only a tiny fraction survives the acidic environment to colonize the gut, usually for just a few days. While healthy individuals generally tolerate this surge without issue, people with compromised immune systems risk serious infections if the bacteria enter the bloodstream. The reason manufacturers stick to a narrow list of species is regulatory. Bacteria classified as generally recognized as safe require no additional safety testing, and manufacturers can make only qualified health claims that need not be proven. Consequently, the market is filled with products that differ mainly in dose and branding rather than scientific efficacy. Studies show that most probiotic strains have at best modest effects on specific conditions, and many consumers take them without clear evidence of benefit. With prices ranging from 10 to 20 pounds for a month's supply, the cost can exceed the value of the negligible health impact for most people. Experts therefore advise that a balanced diet rich in fermented foods provides a more natural and proven way to support the gut microbiome, reserving supplements for cases where a clinician has identified a specific deficiency or need. The takeaway is that probiotics are unlikely to cause harm in healthy adults, but they also rarely deliver the dramatic health improvements advertised on the packaging. The latest news you find here.